That is where shower will be, plus its shower head and the small pipe. That is a shower valve. It's just a single water system. That is where our detachable shower will be. It is just a single water system, just for cold water only. It is simple. You can do that in your home, and that is where our tap will be. Then only that